Hey everyone, welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star, and as you can tell by my t-shirt, today we're going to talk about List Perfectly, specifically their Pro plan. So in the past, I've had a lot of videos on this channel showing you how to cross-post using List Perfectly, how to use their bulk cross-posting feature to move all of your items from one platform to the other. I have, in the past few months, become an expert, so to speak, at their Pro plan. Back in August, they added a bunch of new features to their Pro plan, including a partnership with Sizely, Photo Room app, and WorthPoint. I had Liz on the channel. If you missed that live show, I'll have it pop up at the end. I had their podcaster, Liz, she does their show for them along with Dougie, on the channel to show us all of the features and the benefits about Pro plan. And during that live show, I actually learned a lot I didn't know. There were things about List Perfectly, tools that I wasn't using, features I wasn't using, that I'm like, well, what have I been doing all this time? So since August, I have actually been going through all of the tutorials on List Perfectly and talking to a lot of other people who use the Pro plan. And then how I learn best is just hands-on. So I've been delving into the platform, or the tool, sorry, and using List Perfectly the way it was meant to be used. There is a lot there to help all of us as resellers list, cross-post, and just basically streamline all of our processes so that we save time, which is so important. So what I'm going to be doing in the next few weeks, there's about 15 videos I'm going to put together for you guys for everything from signing up with List Perfectly and how to install the extension on your computer, all the way through creating listings, drafts, templates, using List Perfectly for your accounting purposes, ending items, marking them as sold, and a lot of little tips and tricks along the way of features a lot of folks aren't aware of. So hopefully I'll see you there. And along the way, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, during any of the tutorials, you can always use the comment section or join our Facebook group, Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod, and you can ask questions there and tag me, and I will be more than happy to help you. I want everyone to love List Perfectly as much as I do and to be able to use it as well as I can now that I've taken the time to really learn it. Unfortunately, I think I wasn't using it to its full potential for a while, but now I am, and I want all of you to do the same. So don't hesitate along the way to ask questions. If you have requests to see a certain thing in a video, if you want me to share my screen and show you how I do a certain thing on List Perfectly, don't hesitate to ask me. If it was already planned or already pre-recorded, I'll just let you know and when to look out for that video to come out. But if it's something I hadn't planned on doing, I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. Don't forget, you can try the Pro plan for 30% off your first month using the Flippin' Hippos code and the link down below. Until next time, guys, go be productive, go make some money, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.